Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we will be talking about an amazing platform that actually pays you to do your daily activities. Before we dive into the business of today, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, I will appreciate it if you do well to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get our video each time we drop it. Today's platform that we are going to be talking about is actually called Hub. It is a platform that pays you for training robots. Well, guys, what if I tell you that you can get paid just by filming yourself sweeping your dirty room or your dirty surroundings? What if I told you that you can get paid by arranging your bed? You can also get paid by washing your clothes. You can get paid by ironing your clothes. You can get paid by folding your clothes. You can get paid by cooking. You can get paid by washing your plates, your dishes. Yes, you heard me right. You can get paid for doing these little chores that you do on a daily basis. And it is as easy as that. All you just need to do is for your hands and your legs to be visible. Your hands and your legs should be visible as you are doing all those things. They don't need to see your face. They don't want your face to even appear in the camera. They just want you to do is for you to be moving. Make sure you don't pause the video. Make sure you are on motion. Make sure your hands are moving. You are doing one thing or the other. Make sure you are doing something. Either you are cleaning the TV, you are cleaning the floor, mopping the floor, arranging the bed. Make sure you are doing something. Simple tasks just like this ones. Look at the tasks people are doing and they are getting paid for. Dusting of bookshelf, cleaning or mopping the floor. These are the little tasks that you can do. Washing of dishes. Just your hands should just be visible so that they can see what you are doing. And once you are done, folding of clothes as well, once you are done, you just upload the video and you get paid for it. What they are actually doing is that they're actually training AI so that just like how we train our children to take care of us whenever we are old, the same way we are training this that can be washing clothes, maybe for old people, they will just want to train a robot that can be washing clothes for old people, that can be cooking, that can be cleaning the house, arranging the house, ironing, folding clothes. They just want to train the robot to be doing things that we cannot do or things that older people cannot do because of their age. They just want to train the robot so that the robots can be doing all those things while they relax and enjoy it. That is why you coming into the picture is very important, because they use your motion, they use the way you move to develop this AI so that it will start working the same way you are working. It will not be too difficult for them. So by the time they train this robot, the robot over time, seeing how a dirty room is being tidied, then the AI can do all those things that we are supposed to be doing. So it is being given to those people, those aged people that can no longer, or that does not really have the strength to do things on their own. This bot is being given to them just for them to live well, so that it can help them to do other things. That is where you come into the picture here. So all you just need to do to get started with this platform is to click on the link below this video. Click on the link below this video and register. Why I still emphasize on you clicking on the link below this video is because I want you to enjoy other benefits that comes in with this program. And also, when you join this platform, you also get paid. You also get paid for introducing new people into this platform. How do you get paid? You get paid when you bring a friend, and also every work or every chores or every video chores that your friend uploads, you get paid for it as well. You get paid a percentage for it. And your friends that you invite, now invite another friend, you get paid for that second friend your own friend actually invite to the platform. So it actually pays $4 per hour. The platform is paying you $4 per hour just by showing yourself or your hands and your feet working and doing other house chores that you are doing in your house regularly. So the platform will pay you $4 for sweeping your house. They will pay you $4 every hour for washing your plates. They will pay you $4 for every household chores that you are doing. So this platform is actually a good way to start making money online. So withdrawal is very easy. If you want to withdraw, there is a platform they called Minute app. So they paid you through cryptocurrency, which is very easy. So that Minute app, you just have to click on it, download and create an account, then you link it here. So it is as easy as that. So for you to start this robot, for you to start making money with this robot, first of all, let us look at how it works. Let's click on how it works. Okay, let's click on how it works. All right, we are on the page now. How does this work? How does this robot work? They said record everyday tasks from your phone and earn for every approved hour. Here is exactly how it works. Start to finish. Start earning $4 per hour in 3 steps. Step number 1, you need some kits, and the kits you need are: number 1, the free head strap plus phone mount shipped to your doorstep. You need a hair strap that you can hang your phone on your forehead as you are doing your chores, so that your hands can be visible. Your phone can easily capture the activities you are doing around with your hands and your feet. These people don't need your face. They only want to see your hand moving. They only want to see your hand doing one thing or the other. So that's the step number 1. And this kit is actually free. It is 100% free. If you want to get it, it is free. All you just need to do is to apply for this kit, and it will be shipped directly to you in your country, wherever you are located in the world. Step number 2, I made mention of the Minute app. You download the Minute app. They say you should download the Minute app, create your account, and link it with your org code. So you download the Minute app because you get paid through the Minute app. Step number 3, record and earn. Film everyday tasks and get paid for approved time. Film everyday tasks. As you wake up in the morning, as you are brushing your teeth, you are filming yourself. As you are sweeping your surrounding, your frontage, your backyard, you are filming yourself. As you are doing one thing or the other, cooking, you are filming yourself. Just film yourself and upload it on this platform. It is as easy as that. Okay, let's go to the introduction of the system. The video is getting long and I do not want it to be long, so let me just leave it here. You can just read the introduction through, read it, a new way to earn. So read it. It's just all about training this AI to do tasks that we are already doing. Order your starter kits. Watch this video that you are seeing on the screen, this very one, to understand more about how to order your starter kits that you can use, like the head strap I made mention of, so that you can hang your phone and be doing other tasks. It will not disturb you. Just watch the video and you will know about it. And also, it is 100% free. So here is what's in the kit. These are all the things you can find in the kit: a head strap to mount your phone on your forehead. Then you also find a phone mount that fits your device, a quick start guide to your first recording. All these things are what you get when you order these kits, and it is free. They are giving it free because they need your help. They need you to help them to do one thing or the other, to train their AI to be able to do things the way you are doing it. And that is why this is free. These kits are free to get. They are completely free. So here is it. Here is how to download the Minute app. Once you watch this video here, you will know how to download the Minute app. Then you create an account on the Minute app. So that is just it. And here is how to record, which is the final step. Record and earn. Here you record yourself. This is how you record. You watch this video and you will see how this lady is actually doing by recording herself with that head stripe and her phone. So what are those things that you are to do, and what are those things that you are not to do when taking this test? These are what you should consider. You should read all this. Read it, the wrong and the right. You should just read. Just glance through it and read them so that you will not make any mistakes when doing all these things. And these people, they do not want an edited video. They don't want you to go and start editing the video after you have done your chores, filming yourself. You go back and go and start editing. They want a fresh video. They don't want a fake video. You don't need to learn how to edit videos. You just need to have a good camera that can film you clearly, and you upload the video that you generated from your chores that you are doing at home that day or that particular time. What gets accepted, go through it, read it. You will see those things that get accepted and those things that will make your video to be rejected. Those things that will make your video to be rejected, just go through it. Go through it, glance through it. These are there. So you read them, the do's and the don'ts. These are the do's and these are the don'ts. What are those things that you are to do as you are doing the video, as you are doing the record? These are what you need to go through. These are things you need to go through properly. You read them very well and make sure you don't do any of those things that will get your video rejected. So if you are still here, this is your first time of coming across my channel, again, I will still say that you should just try and subscribe so that we can be dropping daily videos. And also do not forget, which is very much important, to comment and also turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to get our video each time we drop a new video. Thank you, and do not forget to click on the description on this video and get your AI robot working. Try to get registered and start working and making $4 per hour. Imagine washing your plate a day and you get $4. Imagine sweeping your house and earning $4. Imagine washing your clothes, earning $4. Imagine doing maybe like 5 house chores or 6 a day or daily and be earning $4 every day. Imagine doing all those normal work that you are doing for free in your house, nobody is paying you, and earning $4. I will advise you to click on the link below this video now that this system is still free, especially the starter kits that are free. Click on the description below this video, get you registered and apply for the starter kit. It is 100% free. You are not paying for shipping, you are not paying for the kit. Just get it registered, get started, because this company actually wants your help. So because of that, they are giving you this free. So click on the description below and click on that link that you see there. Register through the link and make sure you start your tax as soon as possible. It is very important. Now the system is still free and it is worldwide. You can do it from anywhere in the world. So just get your link, just get registered through the link and start immediately before they start asking you to pay for it. So it is free for now. Get started, get into the system, guys, and get started immediately, and give me your feedback on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching our video to the end, and do have a great day ahead. I look forward to hearing or to seeing your comments. Have a blessed day, and bye for now. Take care.